So gentlemen, we have already seen the changes of the gravity size due to the change in the specific gravity, and now we'll see the change in the gravity size due to the changes in the separating temperature and also the changes in the rate of fluid. So first let's go into the changes in the gravity size due to the change in the separating temperature. Specific gravity is to be kept constant at 0.98. Let's take two temperatures. First one, it is 78 degrees Celsius, and the second one is 90 degrees Celsius, and the rate of fluid to be 2.5 meter cube per hour. Okay, now let's trace both the temperature lines, the 78 degrees Celsius and the 90 degrees Celsius lines. So this is the 75 degrees Celsius line, and the one for the 90 degrees Celsius line is another line. Let's trace the curve for specific gravity of 0.98 right up to 75 degrees Celsius line. Okay. Next is to draw a parallel line right up to the 100 degrees Celsius line. The parallel line is this one. Next is to draw a line right up to 2.5 meter cube per hour feed rate. So the point where the last line met the gravity size is 70.25. It is 70.25 mm. Okay, next for the temperature is 90 degrees Celsius. So we'll have to test down right up to the 90 degrees Celsius line. Okay, now next a parallel line is to be drawn from this last point right up to the 100 degrees Celsius line. And next another line right up to the 2.5. Now you can see that gravity size line is it's about 70.4 mm. This is how the nomogram shows the different gravity sizes for the different separating temperatures. And now we'll have to see for the different feed rates. We'll take specific gravity to be constant at 0.96 and separating temperature 80 degrees Celsius and feed rates 2.0 and feed to 3.5 meter cube per hour. Let's test the separating temperature of 80 degrees Celsius line. So for 0.96 up to 80 degrees Celsius, so first a parallel line right up to the 100 degrees Celsius line is to be drawn. So from this point we have to first draw a line right up to 2.0 meter cube per hour. The gravity is about 70.75 mm. So let's write it down here. For 2.0 meter per hour, it is 70.75. And next, for 3.5 meter per hour, we'll have to trace it right up to 3.5 meter per hour. So the size of the gravity is exactly at 70.5 mm. So at this, it shows 70.5 mm. So this is how the two different feed rates require the gravities of different sizes. Okay. Now we have seen the changes in the gravities due to the change in the specific gravity and also the change in the separating temperature, and finally we saw also for the change in the feed rates.